Hello children, how are you all? Today we can learn a new lesson. The name of the chapter is Bird Talk from class 3.
If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, share this video with your friends.
Reading is fun. Name the two birds in the poem. Robin and Jay. Question number 2. What are the three things that people can't do? Answer. The three things that people can't do is they can't grow feathers. They can't eat beetles. They can't sit on wires. Question number 3. What do birds think of people? Birds think that people are funny creatures because they differ from them in many aspects. Talk time. Imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about what people look like, what they eat, how they walk. You can say, "Look at that man's nose. See how small it is." What will they say? "Look at the size of the man. He is so small. He eats cooked food and that too in such a small quantity. He walks on two small and thin legs." Team time activity. Let's make finger puppets. Draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper, cut and color it. Take a strip of cloth or paper. Paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. Tie the two ends of the strip. Fix it on your fingers. Your finger puppet is ready to talk. Let your puppet fly along with your friends' puppets. Question number 2. Let's find two things which you can do and the birds can't do. Tell the class. Answer. We can read and write, but the birds can't. Second one, we can think wisely, but the birds can't. Let's write. Listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. For example, chirp, chirp, chirp. Then, twitter, twitter, twitter. Next one, coo, coo, coo. Second question, now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words: nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. We can look at the answers. Birds live in nests. They have wings to fly. They fly high in the sky. In the morning, they come out of their nests and chirp loudly around them. They drink water whenever they feel thirsty. Third question, write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one has been done for you. Grow, know, throw. Then, day, bay, say. Think, blink, sing. Funny, bunny, sunny. Eat, meet, neat. Sing, ting, king. Say aloud. Think, ting, thin, thin. Three, this, that, though, ten, top, tank.
We will be uploading more videos. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. See you with another video. Thank you.